Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Leo. Hello, everyone. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you, Leo. And you?
I'm excited because today we're talking about food and meals in English.
Yes, today we'll help you talk about your favorite foods, breakfast, lunch, and dinner in simple English.
If you want to sound more natural when talking about food, stay with us until the end.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Ready? Let's get started.
Let's start by listening. I will read a short story about a day of meals. Listen carefully and imagine the situation. This morning, I had a quick breakfast. I ate a banana and drank some tea. It made me feel happy and ready for the day.
Sounds healthy and easy. Happy for a good start.
At lunch, I had a sandwich and a salad. I like healthy food. It was tasty and made me feel satisfied.
Great choice. Healthy and delicious.
In the afternoon, I had a snack, an apple. I love fruit. It gave me energy and I felt good.
Snacks are important. Yes, I agree.
For dinner, I cooked pasta with vegetables. It was my favorite meal of the day. I felt proud because I cooked it myself.
Nice! That's fun and healthy too.
Now let's talk about vocabulary you can use to talk about food.
Like what, for example?
You can say, I like or I don't like, followed by the food name. For example, I like pizza or I don't like broccoli.
Can we also say, my favorite food is pizza?
Yes, that's perfect. My favorite food is pizza. Tell someone what you really enjoy eating.
And what about meals? I sometimes forget the names.
Good question. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have snacks between meals.
How do we say, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.?
Very easy. You say, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. or I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
Got it. It's simple.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I like apples. I don't like broccoli. My favorite food is pasta. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I have lunch at noon. I have dinner at 7 p.m.
Great practice.
Let's do a small role play. Leo, imagine you were talking with your friend about breakfast.
Okay. Hi, Jessica. What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and tea. How about you?
I had eggs and a banana.
Nice. Breakfast is important for a good day.
Yes, I agree.
Now let's review our new words.
Ready?
Breakfast, morning meal. Lunch, middle of the day meal. Dinner, evening meal. Snack, small meal between meals. I like, I don't like. My favorite food is.
That's a great list.
Yes, use these words every day to talk about your meals. Okay, now let's have a quick quiz. If you eat in the morning, what meal is it?
Breakfast.
Correct. If you eat a small apple between meals, what is it?
A snack.
Perfect. If you say, I don't like broccoli, what are you expressing?
Your preference or taste.
Excellent job. Remember, listen again and repeat. It's the best way to learn English.
And have fun with food too.
You did an amazing job today. Thank you for learning with us.
And remember to talk about food in English every day.
See you next time on English with Friends. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.